that.
Ah, that looks good. On the menu tonight is cheddar ranch chicken burgers. You can cook it on the stove, you can cook it on your grill, but I'm going to cook it in my air fryer. Okay, we're ready to assemble the ingredients. So I've got ground chicken, minus the paper. I've got onion, fresh parsley that I've chopped up, got breadcrumbs. You can get seasoned or not, it doesn't matter. Let's do our 1 egg. Next is the Hidden Valley Ranch. I got the dressing and recipe mix. This is the seasoning. There's another one. Couldn't tell you the difference between the two. Got cheddar cheese. Now, if you don't want cheddar cheese, do a different cheese. And last is our mayonnaise. And no, it doesn't matter which order you put them in. And then we're going to mix them up. So you also need pepper, and salt. And now we can mix. Try and get an even amount. Okay, now that I think I've got them all about the same size, I'm going to form them into patties. So this made 8 patties, but depending on the size, you might have less. Okay, tried to even them out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dredge them in the breadcrumbs. We found we really like that. I'm going to shake off the excess. Plus it helps them keep their shape. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is spray the bottom of the air fryer. Wow, that really came out. And I'm going to put in my 2 patties. I'm only cooking 2 right now, and I will refrigerate the other 2, the rest for another time. Okay, so I'm going to spray them again. Okay, as soon as that's ready, okay. I'm going to set it on 10. But of course, you're going to need to check them, and that's why we have our thermometer for. Next thing we're going to do is make a sauce. You don't have to have a sauce, but we liked it. So whatever your favorite sauce is, if you have something in a jar, go ahead and use that, but I'm doing mustard, ketchup, and mayonnaise. So it's going to look like a McDonald's Big Mac sauce. And I'm just going to use equal amounts. And stir it up. You don't need much. Well, you could also add some pickle juice. Oh, pickles. You're going to want pickles on your chicken sandwich, right, Mark?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, I'll get that out. I need just a smidge more ketchup. Color's not right. What do you think?
Nice.
Yeah, probably wouldn't do any more than that. Okay. All right, it's ready. So I did flip them once during the cooking process. So I had them at 375. You could cook them at 400. And I'm going to add sauce. I'm going to have my sauce on the side, and Mark's going to have his on the bun. Move it here so you can see it better. And if you hear any noises, it's probably our stomach because we're hungry. Okay, how's that, Mark?
Good.
Okay. I'm going to put some on the side of mine.
All right, this is in for the taste. Look at that.
Ah, that looks good.
Mmm.
So what did you have on your chicken sandwich?
Hot. Bacon sauce, of course a bun, nice beef steak tomato, and some lettuce.
That looks good.
Wow, this is delicious. Very good, Richard.
Okay, good. I just want to go ahead and try. Okay, so I dipped it in my sauce. Mmm. Mm-hmm. I love the crunch.
These are good, Brigetta. Ugh.
So what I do is I put it in between two lettuce leaves.
The unwich.
Yeah.
Whereas I'm going for the traditional sandwich. This is delicious.
It was really good.
The panko breadcrumbs. Ground chicken. Never knew what ground chicken was until recently.
I didn't either. I like that. Oh, you know what I need to do is put some sauce on my lettuce or on my burger, either way. Gotta do that. So the recipe, of course, is in the description box. New videos every Sunday.
This is good.
This is good. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, subscribing is free.
Thanks, Brigetta.
You're welcome. I'm always looking for new recipes, trying something else, because it really felt like I got stuck in a rut for many years, making the same things over and over again.
I forgot to put pickles on mine.
Oh, no.
Bring them over.
Okay, you're right.
Got these nice boar's head pickles.
Yep.
Little skinny ones.
You make your sandwich or your burger any way you want.
Kind of like Chick-fil-A.
Yeah. And the sauce, you can use any sauce you want. The only thing that really takes time is making the patties.
Delish.
I'm really happy with this.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much for watching.
Come again. We're going to keep eating.
Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be. Not letting go when I want to. Trust me, you don't want to know you night after night, night after. City lights are making me want to be something else that I'm used to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be. Not letting go when I want